Welcome to the channel about news from around the world. While you subscribe and like it, we're going to start.
Russia has reduced its metal scrap exports to Europe, leading to production cutbacks in the European metallurgical industry. This has resulted in decreased control over Russian raw materials, causing some new plant owners to halt part of their metal processing operations and experience declining revenues. Previously, Russia used to supply resources to various countries without restrictions. However, the situation has changed, and quotas are now imposed not only on mineral fertilizers, grain, and oil but also on the export of metal scrap. The Russian Cabinet of Ministers has approved the sale of only 600,000 tons of ferrous scrap for the year 2023, affecting all trading directions except the Eurasian Economic Union, EU. These limitations are in effect until the end of the year and are subject to extension. While smelting metal scrap requires significant energy and gas, Europe cannot afford additional energy costs. Moreover, Europe has sufficient domestic metal scrap supply, with some enterprises dismantling and exporting their operations to countries with more favorable business conditions. It is worth noting that Eastern Europe has limited iron ore mining, resulting in lower industrial demand for metal scrap compared to Northern Europe, for example, where the main iron ore deposits are located, such as in Sweden. Russia will no longer provide Europe with raw materials as before, and the quota of only 600,000 tons of metal scrap for all countries except the EU seems to be part of a well-thought-out economic policy. By reducing shipments to Europe, it reduces associated risks in the business. Foreign, shareholder, intermediaries, who facilitated the favorable export of Russian raw materials, have been unnecessary. Therefore, quota-based regulation of exports appears to be a useful tool. Russia has already successfully implemented quotas for the supply of fertilizers and grain, and there are ongoing initiatives regarding oil. In such circumstances, restricting Europe's previous ability to purchase metal scrap seems logical and contributes to the competitiveness of the European industry.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested, subscribe and leave a comment.